Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Good thing about today, it's a good day. Breakfast Hell Month. Burrito Hell Month is over.
Amen.
We all did our solo videos. Hopefully you get to watch them, or you did watch them. If you didn't, please check them out. There's some good ideas, some good food. You'll love them, but we all agree we do not like to film alone.
Wholeheartedly agree.
Wholeheartedly. So, you know, props to all you people that are out there on YouTube that do it alone. Good for you.
It's a pain.
Good for you. But today we're back together, which is great. And Simple Cook, it's a Saturday. We're doing crunchy...
Crunch wraps?
Crunch wraps.
Taco Bell?
Not really necessarily. We're going to do our own. It's not Taco Bell, but...
It's got to be better than Taco Bell.
It's a griddle guy.
Taco Bell's
crunch
sauce
wrap.
is kind of funky.
You mean it has actual meat in it?
Yeah.
and cheese?
Yeah.
The thing is, no ingredient list. We're just going to cook as we go here. We're going to show you what we're doing. It's so simple.
It's a technique video.
Families love it. Kids love it. It's very tasty, quick, easy, inexpensive.
Yeah.
It's
I'm
good.
looking forward to it.
So stick around. We've already got it fired up. We're going to start cooking. Guys, cheers to you. 30,000 subscriptions. Thank you. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Very exciting time for us. We thank you. You guys are the best thing to happen to us, and
cheers to you.
You made it happen for us. I say we salute. Of course, it's Jack Daniels, right? Jeff's favorite. I'm starting to like it more every time we do this. Nate?
Not my favorite.
Not his favorite. He has to suffer through, but too bad. 2/3. Overrule.
I feel like I just chewed on a dandelion.
Anyways, a lot of exciting stuff. Again, guys, thank you so much. We love you. We thank you. Awesome stuff. We get some exciting things happening. We got Delstrom knife. Nate, Jeff.
We're going to do a giveaway with Dalstrong Knives. They reached out to us, said that they're going to do a giveaway. So we're going to go through the comments.
You have to leave a comment to get it.
You have to leave a comment, and in the next week or two, we'll go through, we'll pick someone, and we'll reach out to you.
There better be a like with that, too, before you comment.
Yeah.
So we can't track that, but you have to do that.
Whoever gets it, those are really, really nice knives.
Awesome knives. We're very happy with them.
Crazy sharp.
So that's exciting. And then we get also another thing with...
Yukon Company. Yukon Company sent us a bunch of griddling accessories.
Yeah.
We're gonna test those out for you. They're actually sitting on Chris's front step.
Some really cool stuff.
Yeah, they've got a nice griddle hood. They've got some cheese melters with that temperature built into
The warmers.
They've got griddle warmers, and I mean, it looks like it's gonna be nice stuff. So
I'm most excited about the oven, the griddle.
Lid. Yeah,
it's got a temperature
got an oven
probe
lid that you close, so you can kind of take half your griddle and turn it into an oven. But anyways, we're gonna play with all these. We'll have some fun with it. We'll share it with you guys as we do.
But thanks again, guys, and
30,000.
30,000.
30K.
60.
60K, here we come.
Here we come.
I think we're going to do 30 shots in this video.
Tell your friends. Let's get to 60.
Yeah.
Thank you, guys. So, Hamburg. Well, I'm going to start the Hamburg. Again, guys, this is so simple. Jeff's going to start his cheese sauce.
I'm going to brown up the jalapenos a little bit. How many pounds of hamburger?
A little over 2.
A lot of crunch.
2 1/4.
While he's doing that, I'll put together the cheese sauce, equal parts Velveeta cheese, pepper jack cheese,
Which I shredded.
and
Oh, you did?
Yeah,
you
I
did buy pre-shredded?
I did.
Ah, good for you.
I couldn't find it.
evaporated milk. So we're going to start with that.
Nice.
Get that going.
This is the same cheese sauce that Jeff did for
Steak and cheese.
the steak and cheese.
Cheesesteak.
Which, if you guys haven't seen, go look, check it out. Good video. We have 3 different types of steak and cheese.
If you haven't made the cheese sauce, make it. It's easy and it's delicious. It's really, really good.
Can't go wrong.
We got about 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, just to thicken it up.
I actually have the griddle on pretty high. It's, what'd you say, it was 45 degrees?
Yeah, it's like 42, but it's breezy
42.
out, so.
42, a little wind.
feels like it's 22, but yeah.
Yeah, it's cold. Yeah, it's cold.
Just wearing my jacket. How's you look?
Skinny.
Very thinning.
Is it okay if I go from this to that?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's going in the sauce. The sauce is going to be simmering.
Yeah.
I appreciate your concern for food safety. I'm impressed. From the guy who always yells at me for overcooking chicken because you like yours on the rare side.
I like chicken not overcooked.
Cheese sauce, once you combine all the ingredients, it's just going to melt down. Keep stirring it so that way it doesn't burn. And once the jalapenos are softened, or translucent or, cooked.
Or, I mean, if you like a lot of heat, you can put them in raw, right?
Yeah, and just mix it in once it's there. But we'll keep mixing this as we go.
Yeah, this is cooking
Seriously,
quick.
guys, if you haven't tried that cheese sauce, it is so easy and so good. It's one of those things you can put on a shoe and make it taste good. Wow, that browned up fast, huh?
It's quick. I'm surprised with this, how cold it is right now.
Right.
This was quick. All right, so that's gonna start. We gotta get a boil out of that, or what are we gonna get?
We got to get a simmer, yeah.
Okay.
And then we'll mix in the jalapenos. That's it, man.
Yeah,
That's simple.
I'm gonna add the taco seasoning in a couple minutes. I've already mixed it all up, ready to go. Cook it another couple minutes here, guys. We'll be right back.
A few moments later.
All right, guys, time to add the taco seasoning gently. We do have flat griddle, so you don't want it running all over the place. Just gonna mix this up, guys.
And this is cheese is starting to melt.
Colorful, isn't it?
Just spread it out a little bit, Chris. Now.
Yeah, I just wanted to
toss it.
And Chris, actually, my jalapenos are pretty much done. If you want to
want them in the
those
sauce?
Yep.
Perfect.
That's about 2 jalapenos.
That was just 2, yeah.
Yep. So that's starting to melt. Looking beautiful.
Turn my heat up a little. Simple cook, guys. This is what, it's nothing. Just cheese sauce, it's worth it. Look at that. That's good stuff.
That is magic.
So I'm just gonna let this cook a little longer.
All right.
And I'm just gonna take it out, put it in the bowl, and then we're gonna build our crunch wraps. All right, guys, time to build this masterpiece. I'm gonna start with the Hamburg. So, get a lot in there.
So for all you guys at home, Chris got 12-inch wraps. These are bigger than usual.
These are big suckers.
Yeah.
You won't find them at Taco Bell. I need some cheese sauce, Jeff. You want to dump that right on there for me? Just nice, right through the middle, big, there you go.
That's the one thing that Chris, I didn't like about the Taco Bell
You
crunch
spread it
wrap.
a little bit on top there. There you go. All right, good.
You got enough?
Yep, that's good. Perfect.
Get that last jalapeno off the spoon.
So normally, if I could buy a circle tortilla, which I can't, I got these shells, and I think that'll work just fine, right there.
That's the crunch part of the crunch
That's
wrap.
the crunch part, but
Nice.
I need the circle. You know how they sometimes make the circle one? We don't have that. I couldn't find it anywhere. So now, after that, kind of the cold stuff that you throw on. A little sour cream. Get that right on there. Tomato. Lettuce.
That's looking awesome.
Right? A little jalapeno. Oh, you know what I forgot? My salsa.
Ah,
It's inside.
I'll get it.
A little Cholula. Always, guys. I'm a big fan of it. You know that. All right, got the salsa. We got some on the border. It's hot salsa. Let's throw that right
Duncan's
on
looking
top.
looking for some.
Look at this. This thing looks beautiful.
Duncan.
And some Mexican cheese to top it off.
So cheese on top of
Cheese on top of it, and that is the final right there. Final. Now, one thing I'm not sure about right here, if I'm going to be able to cover this all. I'm really not sure. Actually, I think we'll be okay. So you just want to fold, and fold. Okay.
Nice.
I'm going to throw a little oil down on the griddle. We got that at medium heat right now. That looks pretty good. Face down, right on it. Get it right on there. Look at that. Let's stop build number 2.
Nice.
What do you think, Nate? You suspect? You suspect?
No, perfect.
That's going to be good.
That's a lot of stuff.
That's going to be good. So we're going to get a couple more going, guys. I'm going to keep building there as we go here.
All right, so time to flip, guys. It's probably been about 3-4 minutes. Let's see if we get some nice
Beautiful.
crustiness there. Looks delicious. Chris did a good job folding.
Amazing job.
I'm taking the rest of Jeff's sauce home so I can put it on everything in my house.
And that was only like a couple minutes, right? 2 or 3 minutes on medium high.
For the flip,
Oh,
Yeah.
Nate, good flip. That looks
so we're
awesome.
on medium low, and it was about 3-4 minutes, yeah.
Perfect.
Yep.
Good flip. Doesn't that look good?
Looks delicious. Looks perfect.
Perfect. Guys, Nate was just ready to speak. Boom!
Done.
All right, so we're gonna go to the Griddle Guys scorecard. You know, we didn't do the scorecard on the burrito videos, but we are gonna stick with the Griddle Guys scorecard. So before we go there, we just want to do another toast to you, the subscriber, for getting us to 30,000. So cheer.
Salute.
Why is Jeff's shot just a half a shot?
He's driving.
I gotta drive home.
All right. Cheers to you. Thank you for 30,000. That was terrible. Oh.
Fill up.
But so with that, it would be awesome if you guys could, you know, each tell a friend, and we got to 60,000 by like next week. That would
That'd be
so
awesome.
60, 100.
Yeah.
Why stop at 60?
Yeah.
We
So,
we do appreciate it, though. Thank you so much.
Definitely.
moving on to the scorecard. As you guys remember, we have 4 categories: cook complexity, flavor, wow factor, and ingredient list. This is our super high-tech cheat sheet. But cook complexity, this being, just as a reminder, 0 is a bad score, a 5 is a good score.
0 is the Jeff score. But anyways.
In all categories, So, like cook complexity, you would score a 0 if you had to like debone your own turkey and then brine it and then freeze it and then thaw it and then trim it and then put it on the griddle. That
A lot of work.
That'd be a pain in the ass, right?
For this one, 5. Very easy. It's Hamburg. 80-20. That was kind of the main ingredient.
Was that the only thing we cooked? Oh, that and the cheese
That was the only
sauce.
thing. And the cheese sauce. Cheese sauce kind
Which was
of.
cheese and milk,
Right. So
right?
Condensed milk.
5.
Evaporated milk.
Evaporated milk.
Not
And that's
condensed
important.
milk.
That's important, guys.
Very important.
Evaporated milk, not condensed. Yeah, but no, I'm with you on that because all we did was ground the Hamburg and then
We didn't ground butter.
Jeff's
We
cheese
butter
sauce
ground.
is the best tasting cheese sauce. That's the easiest to make ever. I mean,
Very good.
no bechamel, no roux. So 5 on cook complexity. Chris, flavor.
Very good. I gave it a 4. You guys, we all agreed on 4. It was taco inside of with a little extra, with a little crunch.
Yeah.
It was good.
Nice layers.
Yeah.
Good flavor.
The tomato, the lettuce, I like probably a little less salsa, a little more of the hot sauce.
We want some room for improvement, so we kind of get,
That's
we
that's a good
can't
point.
give all 5s. But
But it was
really good.
very good.
It's really good, especially for its simplicity.
A 5, in order for us to score a 5 on a flavor, it's going to have to knock your socks off.
Yeah.
Right.
And this tasted really, really good. Did it knock your socks off? No, but was it really good? Hell yeah.
Yeah, it was.
You know?
Better than
So-
going to Taco Bell.
Would serve this to anyone.
Yeah, so way better than Taco Bell. Cheese sauce on this. Taco Bell's cheese sauce is like, I don't know, melted plastic. This was actual real cheese sauce. Delicious. Next category is wow factor, right? So again, the low end of the scale means nobody even noticed you cooked it. The high end of the scale means that everybody Instagrammed it, right? So where did we net on this?
I think 3.5.
3.5.
I thought it should have been higher, but whatever. It's these guys.
I thought, so to me, the fact that Chris nailed the fold on the
The wrap.
The wrap was cool. Like if I was at a tailgate party or if I was at a barbecue and somebody had a pile of those things out,
They handed you that, you'd be like,
yeah,
wow.
that's really cool. That's
Yeah.
really cool.
Yeah, like this is a 5 all day long, but in Chris's kitchen, 3.5.
3.5. Pretty good fold.
And then the ingredient list. So
Strong 3.5. 3.5, 4.
keeping in mind that ingredient list, if you have to go to 5 stores to get something to do a cook, that's a pain in the ass. A pain in the
Or
butt.
a store.
Yeah.
If you happen to have everything in your cabinet, then it's a 5.
Right,
So
exactly.
super easy. So we netted out on this one out of 4 because I think there was one ingredient that you probably
Evaporated milk.
Evaporate.
It's for the cheese sauce, but it's worth it.
Yeah.
100% worth it.
Yeah.
Not something you typically have, but if you ever do this cheese sauce, you'll probably start carrying
And that's
it
the
because it's
only
so quick.
ingredient. It's the only ingredient we don't have.
Yeah.
So that's why it's a 4 instead of a 5.
Yeah,
And
exactly.
but the other thing, to Jeff, like that stuff keeps indefinitely, doesn't it? Like
Yeah, that
Buy it
Velveeta
once?
cheese lasts forever too.
Right.
So
Yeah.
between the two.
I have the cheese still left from his last cook.
Yeah, yeah, that
In
was
my
like a month
fridge,
ago,
yeah.
and it's still perfect.
So maybe it's like a 4.5, but we scored it a 4. So anyways, the final Griddle Guy score on this is a 16.5, which is pretty high on a max of 20.
Really high.
We would recommend you do this. So I can't wait for Chris to do this again. I'll do it at my house. My kids would love it. This is delicious.
It was a, no-brainer. Quick one. Again, we came off Hell Week of the breakfast burrito.
And-
Hell Month.
Oh, month, yeah.
And you have to do at least 2 shots of Jack Daniels while you cook this. So,
I'm ready to do another one.
like, subscribe. See you soon.
Done.
See you guys later.